In this video, I'll show you how to use the Capital One shopping portal to save hundreds when you shop online. I'll explain how it works, the good, the bad, and the common issues you might run into. I'll show you how I've been able to earn 20, 50, and even 90% cash back at certain stores. I want to point out that the Capital One shopping portal is different from the Capital One offers. Here, you can see that for the Capital One offers, you need a Capital One credit card like the Venture X, and you'll get offers back like 5x back at Lululemon, Walmart, or Nike. And that's in terms of points. For the Capital One shopping portal, anyone can use this and you don't need any Capital One credit card. You also get the offers in terms of cash back. So you can see here, for example, I have 30% cash back at Dyson and Hertz. The Capital One shopping portal is pretty similar to Rakuten and other online shopping portals. Whenever you shop online at certain stores, you usually get cash back for it. One of the downsides of using this portal is that the cashback can only be redeemed into certain gift cards, but right now they have some pretty good options like Lululemon, REI, and even Best Buy, so I would always double check the options before you start using this. Also, it takes about a month to get your cash back from when you make your purchase, and sometimes the gift card options change, so you just want to make sure you keep that in mind when you use this portal. To get started, you need to create an account, and feel free to use my referral link in the description. We both get $80 and this is a great way to support our channel. Once you create your account, your homepage should look something like this. It'll show you all the different offers that you have and how much cash back you should expect. And then once you're ready to buy something, you can click on the link and then shop like normal. And if you did everything correctly, under your rewards section, you should see how much cash back you're getting, so that means it was tracked properly. For example, I bought a jacket for Colombia and on that day, I got 45% cash back. So you can see here, I bought it for around $37 and received right around $17 in cash back. And if you click on the arrow to the right of that offer, you can see the expected payout date. So that's how you know that you did it right. And I've had the best success doing this in Chrome and making sure I don't have any extensions installed like ad blocker or anything like that. Not only can you get some pretty good deals on the website here, you also get personal email offers. So for example, you might be shopping on Lululemon or Walmart, and then in a day or two, you might get an email saying that you have a cashback offer for 20 or 30%. So that's something I would keep an eye out for just in case. For example, when I first signed up for the shopping portal, I got this email offer at Lululemon for spend $50, get $50. So I needed to buy something anyway, so I went ahead and used it. And you can see in my rewards that I got the payout about a month later. So you can get some really good offers, so make sure to keep an eye out on your email for those. One of the best offers I got was 90% back at Kiehl's, and you can see here I bought about $130 worth of stuff, and then about a day later I could see that it tracked correctly and I was going to get $120 in about a month. I'm not sure where I was targeted. I just went on the website about a day before I got that offer and was just shopping around like normal. So it's definitely worth it if you know you're about to buy something. You never know what offer you might get. Whenever you use any of these offers, always make sure to read the terms because there are always items like Apple products that are excluded. So you just want to double check before you make a big purchase. To redeem your cash back, select the My Reward and Savings tab and then choose Redeem Now. This will show you some of the stores where you can get gift cards at, but if you scroll to the bottom and select See More Options, this will show you the entire list of where you can redeem your cash back at. And then you'll notice that some of these stores are grayed out. That's because some of them have a minimum, so you want to make sure you have that before you redeem a gift card. But if you do, you can go ahead and select that store, put the cashback amount, and then they'll email a gift card to your email. I would recommend making a small purchase at a store first, just to make sure that everything tracks correctly. That way, when you finally want to make a big purchase, then it should hopefully track. If you have any issues with your orders, I've heard the support team is pretty responsive, so you can always reach out to them about it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you want to learn how to save on dining out, then check out this video.